Okay. Today is Friday, June 25th, 2011. And these are our first 3 harvested tomatoes from the tomato plant. The dust off them. And let's see, this one came right from here. They were just ready to drop off. We were debating whether they were ripe enough. Let's see, another one came from over here. And one of them came from right here. They just dropped right off. So this is our first harvest of 2011. I did say 2011, didn't I? Okay, good. Didn't say 2010. But boy, these are just right. Rollable. And going to go very well with our salad. You can see that it's going to be only days now before even more of them are ready to go. Look at how dark these leaves are. I mean, there's going to be more growing out of there. And this little plant down here is doing its best to distinguish itself. Look at all those tomatoes. Bunches of them. It's a whole cater of tomatoes. So sure promises to be a bumper crop. Of course, the strawberries. Let's see, they've stayed quite healthy this year. Strawberries. A couple of those look even redder now than they did from the other side. So they'll be ready like within days. And we've got the grapevine with a tomato plant in there. Little bitty green tomatoes. Of course, the strawberries. So those are very much a spring plant, if I'm not mistaken.